Hi, I'm Duncan Clayton, General Manager and one of the owners of Nature's Way and Nature's Way Cafe. John with Mountain Home Marketing has been a huge asset to our business. He has created a website for our business that has drawn traffic. He created 360 tours for both our store and our cafe, as well as he handles the monthly recordings of our health seminars that we have here in the cafe. John's attention to our business has been fantastic. He's always available for meetings. He's constantly providing suggestions to help us grow and continue the growth we've seen through Mountain Home Marketing. And I encourage anyone to follow up with John if they're looking for any kind of assistance with online, digital, or website development. John is a wonderful person, and I encourage you, if you're looking for someone to help, look no further than Mountain Home Marketing. Thank you.